Hey guys, it's Podcast Team here. Today we will be trying some Milky Way caramel apple candy I got from Halloween. I've been saving this for a very special occasion, and I decided today is the day. We're going to be rating how this candy tastes. Please enjoy the video. Okay guys, as you can see when we're analyzing this Milky Way bar, it looks like a Milky Way bar. It's in the shape of a Milky Way bar. It's in a Milky Way bar wrapper. It also has the words caramel apple written on the wrapper. I'm not sure if it's the wrapper that tastes like caramel apple or the candy that tastes like caramel apple. Let's find out. Okay, so the wrapper does not taste like chocolate candy apple at all. Tastes horrible. Excuse me for 1 second. Now let us try the actual candy. Not that bad. It doesn't taste like caramel, it tastes like cinnamon apples. Like, how do I describe this? Like really weak cinnamon mints. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Tomorrow's video will be something else. I don't know, I'm gonna try. I'm still doing research on how to get away with murder. If my cameraman could stop shaking the camera so much, that'd be amazing. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the flip side.